Well, well, well. Take a look what I just found in the rainforest in Brazil. This incredible species of Rotstelia. Fantastic, huh? And this amazing imperial moth. Giant hog moths? No problem, we have it all. This one is called Prociteronia principalis, and it doesn't even have a common name. This one looks like a fighter jet, wow. And some of them look like tree bark, fantastic. This one is extremely hairy. Look at the legs. It could use a Gillette sponsorship, to be honest. Fantastic. This one looks like a redditor. Huh? And this one looks like it enjoys to ratio people on Twitter.